92.69% students out of 18,939 who answered passed their SSC boards, with girls outshining boys yet again. A total of 118 schools, 83 aided and 35 government scored 100% results. Even as coronavirus penetrates large parts of the state, there is good news of medicines and vaccines being tried successfully on humans. Russia keeps S-400 delivery on hold, accuses China of stealing confidential info on systems. Hello everyone, I am Leena and now the news in detail. A total of 92.69% out of 18,939 students passed their SSC exams held in May this year. This year too, girls outshone boys yet again. A total 118 schools, 83 aided and 35 government schools scored 100% results. This time there were 4 centers in Maharashtra and 2 in Karnataka. Here are the details. The pass percentage is slightly higher compared to last year. In last year, pass percentage was 92.47, while this year it is 92.68%. 18,939 students appeared for the exams, out of which 17,554 students passed. 9,319 boys answered exams, out of which 8,581 cleared the paper. 9,620 girls appeared and 8,973 passed the exams.
This year result, the total number of students appeared 18,939, passed 17,554 and the pass percentage is 92.69%. So it is slightly higher than the last year.
118 schools have 100% pass percentage. Out of this, 35 schools are government schools. Supplementary exams will be held on 3rd September and there will be 29 main center and 173 sub-centers.
Then statistics showing 100% result taluka wise. Okay. Bardes, 8 aided schools got 100% result. Government school 1. I think last year there were 2 schools who secured 100% result, government school. So now this year only 1 school has secured 100% result. So total 9. So Bardes Taluka 9 schools have achieved 100% result. Then Kankod, 1 school managed to get 100% result. Last time 4 schools managed, so -3, 1. Then the government schools, 3 schools. Last time they were 5, so now -2. And total 4 schools from Kankod Taluka managed to get 100% result. Darbanoda, aided 4 schools managed to get 100% result. 1 government school managed to get 100% result. So total 5 students secured 100% result. Cape, there is no aided school with 100% result, but 1 government school managed to get 100% result. So 4 government schools managed to get the 100% result in Cape Taluka.
Mangeshi Center has stopped. 258 people have answered their exams and 98.06% students have passed, while the Kepe Center has the least pass percentage. 441 students have answered their exams and 86.85% students have passed.
Percentage range, I mean, in which the students have passed, 75 to 100%. 21.08% student passed in this range. 60 to 74, it is 33.51%. In the range of 45 to 59, it was 35.79%, and last range, that is 33.44, is 8.82%.
Amar Chavaria for Goa 365 from Panaji. Around 25 NRIs who have returned Goa on 25th July at the Daboli airport are stuck in a bind. They are stuck at a hotel in Kolva, broke as after their arrival their swab samples were collected and their passports taken from them. The results have not come for days, but they are still being charged on a daily basis. Here's more.
These NRIs are obviously upset. Many of these people have returned as they were stranded abroad without jobs for last several months and have no money. Instead of having their reports ready within 24 hours, the hotel has taken away their original passports and they are being charged. Here are the visuals of the receipt paid for tests.
They arrived on 25th of July at Daboli airport, and there itself their samples were collected for testing, for COVID testing. And since 25th till yesterday and till today morning, the reports were not given to them, and as such they were in lot of stress, basically because the people who had come down are those people who had lost their jobs there, and with, on account of they being without any jobs, they were forced to come to Goa, and they hardly had any income, I mean money also to pay. And here unnecessarily 3-4 days hotel charges were. Does the government feel that these Goans who have come all the way from Gulf countries are going to run away? Our demand is that whenever you are doing these tests, especially for these seafarers or Gulf returnees, see that the results, the reports are delivered to the hotels within maximum 24 to 48 hours maximum, so that within 2 days, if they are positive, then further measures are to be taken, and if they are negative, they should be allowed to go to their homes. Unnecessarily, they are subjected to additional expenditures. And worst is that sometimes even the delay reports, if they come in the morning, went with all the reports to the hotel, and they were released today by afternoon. They were all were released, and even their passports were handed over. What is our question is that, on one hand, the government says that even if you are positive and asymptomatic, you are asked to stay at home, home isolation. You have to take care of your own self by adopting home isolation method. And here, even without knowing whether they are positive or negative, you are delaying the reports and unnecessarily putting them into undue expenditure, which cannot be acceptable in any forms. We want that a proper system to be adopted for these people who are coming from abroad. At one point of time, seafarers and all these Gulf returnees were seen as a great threat as far as COVID is concerned. But they have proved that they were not the real threat. The real threat came from across the border, and it is still continuing. But unnecessarily, you all are putting these people into great inconveniences, and somehow this has to stop somewhere. And a proper system should be worked out by which within maximum 48 hours their reports should be given to them and seen that they are not subjected to unnecessary expenditures.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 in Kolva.
A person who tested negative for coronavirus was quarantined for 21 days and later given a bill of 48,000 at the Mapsa residency he begged by NCP has alleged on Tuesday. The NCP has alleged that it has become a business nowadays to extract money from Goans. Here are the details.
Rafiq Mohammed from Kolli is stuck up the river without a paddle. He has been put in quarantine without any reason. The government is asking for money from him, alleged the NCP. Government should give money back to the people which has been earned in the name of quarantine, or else they will hit the streets in protest violating section 144.
म्हापसा रेजिडेन्सी हॉटेलान म्हणजे म्हापसा टुरिझम जे आसा न्ही रेजिडेन्सी भितर एकटो आमचो खोर्लेचो मोहम्मद रफीक म्हणून आसा. तेका क्वॉरंटायन करून दवरला कित्याक लागून की तेका पॉझिटिव्ह मेळ्ळा म्हणून. पूण ते रिजल्ट जो आसा तेजो 7 जुलयाक तेणी गंगानगर हे एरियेक काही मस्ती केल्ली म्हणून तेजेर FIR जावंक जाय आसली. ती FIR न करता तेका भंय घालपाक तेका क्वॉरंटायन करून दवरला आनी तेजो रिजल्ट 7 जुलयाक सांजचो 7:30 नेगेटिव्ह आसलो गोंयच्या सरकारान. डेप्युटी कलेक्टर ऑफ बार्देस जो चार्ज जो तेजे कडेन आसा तेणी अभ्यास करून तेणी जर मस्ती केल्ली जाल्यार तेजेर FIR करूंक जाय आसलो आनी तेका पुलीस स्टेशनान दवरूंक जाय आसलो आनी बेल आवट करूंक जाय आसलो फॅमिलीन तेज्या. ते न करता भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकारान ताका आयज 21 दीस जाले. 21 दीस ताका सांगता तुमी 48,000 भरात, 50,000 भरा, 55,000 भरा म्हणून. जो मनीस गॅस सिलिंडर घेवपाक लायनीन उबो रावलेलो फुकटचो मेळटा म्हणून थंय धक्काबुक्की जाली आनी कितें जालें, पुलीस थंय येयले म्हणून तोंडाक तोंड जालें. म्हणून त्यांनी तो गॅस सिलिंडर घेवपाक तेजे पयशे ना म्हणून लायनीक रावता आनी हे तेजे 50-60,000 भर म्हणून सांगतात. तर कशें जातले? गोंयकार जे आसा आमचे तेंचे एक्चुअली गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवाक पयशे येयलेले दिल्लीच्यान, ते पयशे क्वॉरंटायन करून तांकां यूज करूंक जाय आसले. पूण हेंच्यांनी आतां ते पयशे आमच्या गोंयच्या भावा कडसून घेवन अक्षरशः गोंयचे लोकांक त्रासान केला आनी हो तेंच्यांनी धंदो केलेलो आहा. BJP हो धंदो हेल्थ मिनिस्टरान सांगपाचें हे पयशे गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया कडून आमकां येयलेले आसा, हे पयशे आमी तुजे कडसून घेयना म्हणून सांगूंक जाय. हे पयशे घेतलेले आसा तेंचे परत सगळ्या भावांचे रिटर्न करपाचे म्हणून आमी भारतीय जनता पार्टी कडेन मागता. रिक्वेस्ट जर आयकना न्हू तर आमी अख्खे गोंयचे ऑपोजिशन जे कोण आहा प्रत्येकाक आमी रस्त्यार देंवयतले. 144 कलमाचो आमी पोवचना, हेच्या फाटी फुडें पोवचना. तुमी सगळ्यांक गोंयच्या लोकांक कितली तेदी व्हडली तुमची जेली आसा. आमी गोंयचे जर रस्त्यार जर आमी 1 लाख लोक जर देंवले तुमची जेली कितें तरी आसतल्यो.
थंय वेळेला मागीर फ्रायडे तेंचे रिपोर्ट आयले नेगेटीव म्हणून. तरी आसतना काय आमकां सांगूना सोडूंक ना काय ना. आमकां दिले नॉर्मल 14 दीस करता तशें करून सोडटले. त्याच्या उपरांत 14 दीस जाता आतां तेंच्यांनी म्हटलें कितें हे पेड क्वॉरंटायन. आमकां ते पयलीं सांगूंक नासलें. पेड क्वॉरंटायन इतली बील जाली ती आनी एकटो कोणाक तांणी 36,000 कितें भरून तो भायर सरलो. जाल्यार आतां एका कालच्या पयरच्या दिसाक म्हणाले 48,000 भर आनी वॉच तुका रिलीज ऑर्डर काडला आनी हें काडला. तो मनीस कोण आहा पळय तो 100 रुपीज दिवन वाडो घेवंक शकना. ही इज अ व्हेरी पुअर. ही इज माय ब्रदर. ओके, तो खूब गरीब आहा. तेजी परिस्थिती खूब विकट आहा आनी प्लस तेच्या चेडवाक व्हडले चेडवाक थायरॉयडाचें दुयेंस आहा. तो बांबोळे मेडिसीन हाडपाक तोच व्हरतलो म्हणल्यार बायले घेवन भुरग्यांक घेवन तो वयता येता. आतां ताका थंय स्टक केला म्हणून ना तो मेडिसीन हाडूंक वचूंक शकता ना घरान तेजें रेशन कितें हाडूंक शकता, कितें खावपाक जेवपाक खूब तांकां त्रास आहा. सो हे गव्हर्मेंटान कित्याक लागून अशें केलां, कोण हेच्या फाटी आहा आनी हेका भितर उडून कोणाक चड फायदो जाता हें म्हाका कांय कळना.
How government has money to build Raj Bhavan when it says that there is no money to deposit in poor people scheme? Question Sanjay Bade, Secretary NCP.
गव्हर्नर पॅलेस आणि तेंच्यांनी लेजिस्लेटेड असेंब्ली जी आसा न्ही ते रिन्यू करपाक तेंच्यांनी घेतलेली आसा. हांगा तेंचे पयलीं गोंयचे गव्हर्मेंटाची हे जी बिल्डिंग्स आसा, क्वॉर्टर्स आसा, पुलीस क्वॉर्टर्स आसा आनी आमचे गोंयचे गव्हर्मेंटाचे क्वॉर्टर्स आहा न्हू ते हेंचे सारके करपाक हेंचे कडेन पयशे ना. हेंचे कडेन पयशे ना. लोकांक जाणट्यांक जे पयशे येताले ते हेंचे कडेन दिवपाक पयशे ना. जे हेंचे कडेन लाडली लक्ष्मीचे पयशे येताले ते हेंचे कडेन पयशे दिवपाक ना. सॅलरी गव्हर्मेंटाची टिचरीची घालपाक हेंचे कडेन ते पयशे ना. पूण हे पयशे सँक्शन करपाक तांकां खंयसून बुद्धी येयली. हे गव्हर्नर ऑफ पॅलेस जी आसा न्ही ही गव्हर्नर पॅलेस ही कोणाक तरी अंबानी अदानीक कोणाक दिवपाची केल्या ही थंयसर दिवपाची ना. गव्हर्नराची काय कंप्लेंट ना, खंयच्याच गोंयच्या भावाची कंप्लेंट ना. पूण तुमी थंय खाली कित्याक करतात आनी नवे कित्याक लागून बांदता हे गोंयच्या लोकां कडेन स्पश्टीकरण दिवपाचें.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Russia has kept hold on S-400 delivery to China after accusing it of stealing confidential information. St. Petersburg Arctic Social Science Academy President Valery Mitko and 2 Chinese nationals have been arrested for leaking confidential information to China. However, there is more than this behind this move than meets the eye, says reports. Here are the details.
However, China says Russia has been pressurized by someone to stop delivery of S-400 missile system. China has been accused of hiding information on coronavirus, but still WHO has not imposed a travel ban on China. But WHO has warned that it would act against China, who sealed their borders with the mainland. Still, Russia went ahead and sealed China's border and terminated visas. On the other hand, China had staked claim on one of the Russian cities, a tit for tat, for not supporting the country against India in July. China says the Vladivostok city is part of China since 1860. Russia has forcefully acquired the city in one-sided contract. China has allegedly taken this stand as Russia didn't support China during India-China standoff in Ladakh. Russia had signed a deal with China to hand over S-400 missiles in the year 2014. The first delivery of these missiles was done in 2018. China is the first nation to buy these missile systems from Russia. Along with China, countries such as India and Turkey had also signed a deal. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Corona has permeated to large parts of the state, even the remotest areas. People are scared, but there is also some good news. Some relief in symptomatic cures and vaccines in the pipeline. But ultimately, it is social distancing and sanitization that is need of the hour.
Chief Minister Pramod Sawant visited ESI COVID hospital on Tuesday to take stock of situation. After visiting ESI, the Chief Minister then visited the South Goa District Hospital in Margao. He also spoke on the need for a COVID hospital in North Goa and also the delay taking place in COVID-19 test reports.
COVID hospital जे आहा पळय रे तेन्ना आमी सुरू करतले तेन्ना सगळ्यो फॅसिलिटीज ते अवेलेबल स्पेशली ऑल द मेडिकल गॅसेस विथ द इक्विपमेंट आमी तेच विचार करतलो आतां ते खंय खंय अवेलेबल आसा आमकां जर ते करचे आसत जाल्यार त्या पद्दतीची फॅसिलिटीज सगळ्या त्या हॉस्पिटलांत प्रोवायड करची पडटा नो डावट तूं म्हणटा आजिलो हॉस्पिटल बट आजिलो हॉस्पिटलाचो लोड जो सद्याचो आसा होय खूब मोठो आसा दिसाक थंयसरूय बी 800 ते 1000 पेशंट वेगवेगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे तपासपाक येता जाल्यार त्याय लोकांचे म्हणजे आमकां जेन्ना कोवीड ट्रीट करता तेन्ना जनरल पेशंटूय आमी ट्रीट करता हाजी काळजी तुमकां आसपाक जाय कारण आतां सद्या फ्लू आहा डेंग्यू केसीस आहा मलेरिया केसीस आसा कोविडानूच पेशंट मरता अशें न्ही बाकीच्या कारणां खातीर सुद्दां पेशंट दुखोवंक शकता ताजी काळजी घेवप तितकें म्हत्वाचें आसता म्हणजे कोविडाक प्रायोरिटी दिली बाकीच्यांक सेकंडरी पयलें जाल्यार बाकीच्या कडेन डेथ जावंक शकतल्यो त्यो जावच्यो न्हू म्हणून आमकां सगळो समतोल सांबाळून आमकां तेजी काळजी घेवची पडटा आमचे कडेन जवळपास आतां काल 6000 आशिल्ले आज तेजी पेंडन्सी 5000चेर येतली एकी कडेन पॉझिटिव्ह येयलो काय ना वांगडा थंयसरले 300-400 लोक येता म्हाजी टेस्ट कर आमी बी पंच सरपंच आमदार सांगता टेस्ट कर म्हणून पयर एकी कडेन 300 टेस्ट करून घेतल्यो भितरल्या फक्त एक बेकरीवालो पॉझिटिव्ह म्हणून 300 जाणांच्यो टेस्ट केल्यो कितें फायदो फक्त कोणूच पॉझिटिव्ह येवंक ना म्हणून ते खंय तरी क्रायटेरिया जो आसा हो आमचो DHS टीम जी आसा आनी कन्सर्न हेल्थ ऑफिसर हाजेर थोडेशें सरूंक जाय तेच्या कॉन्टॅक्टान खरोच कोण येयला भियोन वचोन सगळ्यांनी परत टेस्ट करचे अशेंय न्ही म्हणून ती टेंडन्सी हे जे आसा पळय न्हू ही तशी चड जी आसा ही पेंडींग वाडल्या त्या खातीर प्रायोरिटी आमचो डॉक्टर आमचो त्या प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटरचो मेडिकल ऑफिसर हेल्थ ऑफिसर दे वील डिसायड खरोच बाबा तेच्या संपर्कान कोण आयिल्ले आनी तेंच्यांनी जर करीत जाल्यार आमकां फोकस जो करपाक जाय एक्चुअल पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंटाचेर कोमॉर्बीड कंडिशनाचेर तो फोकस आमी करपाक शकतले ते जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता फुडल्या 4 दिसां भितर जी पेंडींग आसा ते टेस्ट रिपोर्ट ते क्लियर जातले.
Kunkolim villagers want Kunkolim IDC to be sealed. They say that a total of 72 cases were found in Kunkolim IDC and out of 35 cases were found in Shraddha Ispat Factory. Villagers have demanded that Kunkolim IDC be declared as containment zone.
आणि आयज आमी ह्या सरकाराक सांगूंक सोदतात गोंयच्या मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगूंक सोदतात हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक सांगूंक सोदतात की आमकां आज भिवपाची गरज आसा. आज कुंकळी इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेटी भितर व्हायरसाचो सामको धुमाकूळ जाल्लो आसा आनी हे सगळे जे मायग्रंट लेबर आसात ते सगळे गांवांनी रावतात. तुम्ही ऑफिसांनी बसून सांगनाकात त्या गांवांनी रावनात म्हणून त्या गांवांनी रावतात. तुम्ही येवन पळयात डेप्युटी कलेक्टर मामलेदार तलाटी तुम्ही येवन पळयात आणि हे प्रेझेंट सिच्युएशन जे आता पॅनिकेबल जाल्ले आसा हे पॅनिकेबल सिच्युएशनान आमकां भायर काडात. आमी वेळ येयल्यार आता इंडस्ट्री बंद करतले सगळे कुंकळकार आता मुखार सरलेले आसात. ही तुमकां स्ट्रॉंग मेसेज आमी दितात जाता तितल्या बेगीन ही इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेट पळय आसा ही सील करात आणि हो कंटेनमेंट झोन डिक्लेअर करात.
Kunkolim chairperson, also ward councillor of industrial estate area Sukrin Coutinho, along with ward councillors, also gave a memorandum to Chief Minister Pramod Sawant demanding that Kunkolim IDC be declared a containment zone. Chief Minister spoke on the issue.
लेटरान आम बरयल्लें म्हणजे तुमी तेंचे एक्शन घेवचें ज्यो फॅक्टरींत हे पॉझिटिव्ह मेळ्ळे केसीस जाय त्यो मायग्रंट्स आटाय तुमी चॅक करचें आनी जात ते भाशेन तुमी जाल्यार तेंचे एक्शन घेवचें म्हण सेम आनी कंटेनमेंट झोन करपाक लागून आमी तांकां सांगिल्लें. आतां त्यो केसीस तेन्ना थोड्यो आसल्यो आतां चड केसीस जाले आनी चडान चड वाडटाय. म्हाका दिसता म्हाका इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळटा प्रमाणे सगल्यो हे केसीस ते डिक्लेअर कोनाय. आतां सिटीच्यो म्हणटाय ते 25-26 कितें जाल्याय.
प्रत्येक इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेटीन आमी आमचो लेबर कमिशनर आनी आमची FDA डायरेक्टर ही ताच्या बरोबर फार्मा इंडस्ट्रीज हांच्या बरोबर सगळ्यां कडेन उलयता तांकां SOP प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो कर म्हणटा आनी त्या अनुसार आमी इन्स्ट्रक्शन.
Authorities have still not woken up after a beggar succumbing to coronavirus at Margao, local allege. Beggars and homeless are seen taking shelter in a veranda of closed heritage house during night near Holy Spirit Church at Margao. They were apparently creating nuisance after drinking alcohol. A local gathered at the house and had altercation with the homeless persons. Later, cops were called in and homeless were driven out using force.
ओल्ड घरान आमगेल्या हे आमगेले एंटीक हाऊस हे हो झोन आमगेलो सगळे ओल्ड हाऊजीस हिंगा आनी हितून हे पळय कोण तरी मायग्रेंट्स येवन हिंगा पळय रावपा लागल्या एक बायल आनी एक कोण तरी तेंगेलो घोव आनी कितें म्हणून एक भुरगा ते असली झगडटाली म्हणून पुलिसें इन्फॉर्म केले पुलिसांनी इन्फॉर्म करून पुलीस येयले पुलीस पयले आमी रोखडे आमी फोन मारून आमगेले गोवा 365 हेंका पयले ते सदां आमकां रोखडे येता हिंगा कित्याक फाटीं पयर तशी एक चोरी जाल्ली पळय तिका ते ऑपोजीट घरान तेन्नाय तेच्या पुलिसां आपयले आमी त्या चोराक धरलो चोरान ताका वयलो आनी तेन्ना झुप करून आमगेले गोवा 365 येवन आमी तांकां सांगलें हेंचे मातशें हें काड कित्याक आमकां हेंची तोंडां लोकांक दाखोवपा जाय म्हण फाल्यां हे फाल्यां चोरून पड तांकांय चोरून हें करतले म्हण देखून हेंकां नोट करपा लागून आज सुद्दां आमी सांगलां हेंचें तोंड पळय आनी हे मनशां मातशें तुमी हें करून पयस दवराय म्हण कित्याक आमकां खबर ना आतां हे कितें दुयेंस घेवन आतां व्हायरस हेंकां कोण टेस्ट केलें काय ना तें ती सारकी बुरशीं पयल्या तांकां आनी हांगा हे जर वाड्या कोणाकय जालें जायत जाल्यार सारके त्रास जातले कित्याक पळय 2 क्लिनीक आहाय आमगेली एक 2 डॉक्टर डॉक्टर गुदिनो आनी डॉक्टर कुलासो 2 क्लिनीक आहाय आमगे हिंगाची आनी लोक येता वयता दुसरे आमगेले हिंगा शॉपां आहाय पळय हे त्या शॉपाचेर वयताय आनी कितें घेताय कोणा हितून जरी तर ते शॉपकारांक कोणाक जालें जाल्यार थंयच्या ते शॉपार लोक सामान घेवन वयता तांकांय हें जातलें व्हायरसो तेका लागून आमकां हें जाय आसलें की हिंगाचो हेंकां धाडून घालपाक सगळ्यांक.
One vegetable shop owner along with his 2 staff were tested positive for COVID-19 at Chichini.
हे आमचे वेजिटेबल शॉप तेका तो डिटेक्ट जाल्लो 2 दीस पयलो सो तो केसो आनी केसो काय हेका बरो ना म्हण जो जीएमसी गेल्लो तेन्ना तेमी तेगे टेस्ट केलो तो पॉझिटिव्ह जालो तो पॉझिटिव्ह जालो म्हणटकीर तेमी तेका एसआय एडमीट केलो म्हणटकीर आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन येयलें कोण चिंचिनी डिटेक्ट जाले केस आनी तो कोण काय म्हण सो तेगे वेर अबाउट्स आमकां कांय आसना सो जायते त्रास घेवन आमकां फायनली आमी कळ्ळें तो वेजिटेबल वेंडराचेर शॉपाचेर काम करतालो सो इमिजिएटली आमी सॅटर्डे ते बंद करपा लायले शॉप आमकां खबर मेळ्ळी म्हणटरीच आनी आयज हो 3रो दीस ते बंद आहा.
Fire department conducted a sanitization drive in Shishini market. Ramesh Naik Raut and Sandeep Toyekar for Goa 365 from Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A goods carrier crashed into 3 shops in Kunkoli town at around 11 on Monday night. The owner says he has suffered around 3 lakh rupees loss.
The National Highway 17 passes through Kunkoli town. The Portuguese era road is narrow. Now, heavy vehicles pass along this road. As a result, there are accidents resulting in damages to the shops. Locals say a bypass should be constructed.
कशी किती झाले हेजेर तो पास जाल्लो आनी मान हे इतले 3 आमी मोडून गेलो तिची आनी सकाळ म्हाका मेळ्ळो सकाळ मेळ्ळो हांवें ताका विचारलें बाबा तूं बळी कांय केलो तो तूं आमगेले मनीस पूण तुवें राव जालो थिंगा म्हूण सांगलें एक्सिडेंट जावन तूं मोडून गेलो आनी म्हण हें आमी इतलें भोगताय आतां चड पयस जाय काय म्हणून हें करून हें आतां 3 पडले म्हळ्यार आमगे शॉप मोड आमी एक्सिडेंट जालो पयस वयचो न्हू
कितली लॉस जाता तुका आज
आनी लॉस 3 लाख पयल्यान आसले केट व्हडल्यो गाडी राती आमी आसले री एक्सिडेंट जालो हांव राती येयले गेट गाडी गेट लांबो गाडी साहेब हें कितें करूं जाता ह्या रस्त्याक बायपास काडूंक जाणार हे हितू हें पुर्तुगेज तेंपार कोता जालें पुर्तुगेज कारेचेर बसून मडको इस्कुला वयताले पंपांक करून.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Kunkoli.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa 365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa 365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.